Fídíò tí mo fẹ́ fi wọ́n yìí share rẹ̀ síta. Pín fáwọn èèyàn. Mo fẹ́ kó gbọ́rọ̀ tó wà nínú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Mo fẹ́ kó wò dáadáa. Bá mi wo fídíò tí mo fẹ́ fi wọ́n yìí. Bá mi wò. Kó dẹ̀ share rẹ̀ tó bá ṣe ń wò. Ó ṣe
The year 9 report comes say U.S. embassy they drop some kind thing. Say terror attack go shele for Abuja.
Yes.
They can't give some kind soft spot if it happen. Shift and reach yesterday. They bring another report again. Say they don't start to evacuate their non-emergency staff.
Them, yes.
Now, like Mohammed Kokomas, I could talk something that yesterday. For once, for the first time, I kind of open my mind. They rational. I can't they tilt to wait till like Mohammed talks more.
Okay, wait till you talk.
The reason why me I dey talk this one now because of say, yes, the one they give, we not go play down on them. Very, very good. We're not going to come say we go sleep over and no. But first of all, U.S. Embassy and UK, they do a very, very wrong thing. Because what they're supposed to do at the first place now to liaise with our security agencies, tell them, say, this now waiting do, this now waiting do, so that if they want to bring out a statement like this, there are ways we go use to pass and give the citizens so that it not go cause unnecessary panic.
Okay.
Now, if we want even look the U.S., I do my proper research. U.S. for this year alone, the attacks will not take place. Somebody okay go enter school, shoot crowd is over 20. So now imagine Nigerians now start to put all these kind of things for U.S. and say, oh, we want to evacuate our people. You not sure say it will cause a lot of tension for USA. But then there's a bit side people quick days after they blow the talk. Because of say there's an one building for night goat feet climb the roof. We don't bring ourselves down. They make them just freely they talk things. They create tension. For their own US, you know the kind of panic. I'm gonna tell you the last one said for October here. For California, for Stockton. They shoot people die. It happen on a daily basis. How many people they put words like this? So is they okay if they give their citizens this advice, say things like this go happen, we need to be very careful. We need to be careful. It's okay.
Okay.
But they need to liaise with Nigeria authority, talk to them. Maybe synergy day. If you not bring out a statement, at least we know the way we go to bring them out.
You go get to take permission from Nigeria before you tell your own citizens danger they front.
Yes, you need to advise your people. It's okay. But now there are people neither. If every citizen, if every country they put this kind word for America go they say people start to panic now. For them whether they shoot every day, whether they keep people.
Please go ahead.
Whether they keep people every day.
Borrow 15 seconds.
Oh yeah, quickly.
And then what? The problem when they get now to they use bad, they cancel bad. Waiting bad, they bad. Nothing concern us with the comparison. With what they happen for the United States of America, say then get bad there.
Then they put this kind of advice to you. Not everybody, but the advice to protect us. When they put out.
Then this conversation, many politicians, they always they feel say when information come out now embarrassment. We don't want to hear them. What we want to hear are the experts. The U.S. authorities, as it concern their own intelligence gathering and security, then they work with our people. That's not the way you see. So when they say they arrest terror suspects,
yes,
now them
US people,
now them are people from the United States of America for Trademark Estate Phase 3. So I guess of big if Alhaji Lai Mohammed want talk some kind things, make him leave the people who be saying now their work to do them. Make we know they use politics, the reason matter because now the lives of Nigerians now they look here. Okay. If you don't compare with
the US, kind of panic and tension when they don't cause now the people they fear now be the right way.
Okay.
And wait. What is good for the goose is good for the gander. Now make assume say every embassy now for America they start to put all these kind of words now. They play down on this kind of news in America. They go only alert their security. They go into intelligence, enter everywhere to make sure that they copper. The kind of things that happen for America.
Okay, but
if everybody put this kind of advice,
I believe say the DHQ be respond to them based on this.
And then what the most important thing I say, our people when the matter concern don't begin to do things. Police don't start Operation Dark King Gagawa. DHQ they work with the American intelligence to see say they arrest these people. So this talk about there's no need. All these politicians go just come. They call they compare. Protect Nigerians.
People they put this guy advisory for America.
Let's go.
People they put this guy advisory for America every day. When they reach our country, everyone now they go do for here. China go put their own. They go put their police station.
Òmìnira adé. Òmìnira adé o. Ìyà yìí ti pọ̀jù fún wa. Orílẹ̀-èdè mi á dúró.